Gran Destino Tower. We're gonna go check in now. This is a very nice sized room, and we're the first one ever to stay in this room. So over here you have a washroom with a beautiful door, sliding door. Love this door. And the bathrooms are double sinks with a beautiful glass shower with 2 different shower heads, which is really nice. The rain shower up here. Love the tile work. And you got the H2O products. And turning over here, there is 2 sinks. And you've got a bit more products. So you've got the mouthwash, shower cap, Vanity Kit body lotion, cooling aloe gel, and then the facial soap. There's some storage over here. There's a hair dryer. Lots of storage here. And then there's a washroom, which is separate, and all the towels are here. I'm not sure if I'll return it here, but I guess there's a shower here for the towels. So there, and then you come out, you have a large wardrobe with a safe and extra pillows and blankets and steam irons in here. And you have a luggage thing here and a full-size mirror on the door, which is nice. Always need a full-size mirror. It has a Keurig, which I think is fabulous. Some ice bucket, glass cup, ceramic mugs, and then take-along mugs. A fridge. Recycling and trash. Nice long desk with more storage drawers. And a nice big TV. And a nice chair. And then turning around, there are 2 beds, another full-length mirror here. And they also gave us, because it's a first day staying here, first day it opened, they gave us a free pen, which is great. So these are very similar to the other rooms with the reading light on each side. And then you've got USB port, some just regular things, more storage, and which I love, storage under the bed is the best thing. You can just slide your suitcases. There are no balconies, but the view is pretty much like floor to ceiling almost, and it's absolutely stunning. Here we stayed, trying to think, we stayed in that building right there. Last time we stayed at Coronado. The dig site is right there, which is not far. And then I think the main buildings over there. We just have to figure out where to get drinks and stuff. So this is pretty awesome. I'm so glad I got to stay here. I'm doing it a little backwards. This is the lobby. We are staying in a room 0575. As you can see, the hallways are really pretty. So I'm gonna go down to the lobby and then show you a lobby around, so kind of a backwards tour. But I do really like the way they decorated the hallways. There are little signs. Lots of nice paintings. Now this is different. All the little elevator numbers are on the outside. There's the same type of mural here too. The elevators are super fast. Open. So to the left from the elevators, there is a fitness. And then here's the main lobby. This is the downstairs Barcelona lounge. The only downfall is there's nowhere to refill your refillable mugs. I don't know if that was their priority here since it is a conference resort, but you have to walk all the way to the main building to refill your mugs. But I think they did a really good job. It's very pretty, in my opinion. Very modern looking, but yet classic. Smells really good. So here is the registration. And I'm gonna go downstairs. Serves breakfast in the morning, and then it turns into a lounge, coffee bar and lounge later. Gonna go outside just to show you the outside. It's raining, so it'll be quick. So there's the restaurant over there, the Three Bridges. And then just to show you from behind.
Can I bother you to take a picture?
No. I'm back inside. Just going up, and we're gonna go to the front. There really isn't a lot there's bus stops over there. I'll give you a shot of the front. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I hope you guys have a magical day.